Let it fly by like that in the trees, and I'll try to get a good picture of that. It looks beautiful coming through that trees right there.
Get it.
We'll zoom in there so I can zoom in post-production.
Gotta open my eyes so I can see. Didn't get down low enough. Try the other direction here.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna come the other way here.
Oh! I should have quit taking pictures.
Alright, there's enough of that.
Yeah, they won't know that. I'll send this to you.
Thank you.
It looks so good with those green trees in the background.
Yeah, kind of hard to see otherwise. Till it shines.
Mm-hmm.
I wasn't sure how good this plane would fly. And it's made for a 4-blade prop. I'm gonna put a 4-blade on. I'm gonna put a 1410 on it, but I've got a 2-blade 16.8 on it right now. So.
35 cc?
20. It needs a 35, I think. I don't know if a 35 would fit it though. It's made.
It's really good though.
It's made specifically for DLE 20. I've got a Stinger 20 in it. But
it's got a good scale speed to it, like it is.
it's not quite opening up. I think it's kind of hot.
Squishy there.
Yeah, it wasn't liking that flat. I don't know what the deal was. See if I can land it. Stand here and make sure I ain't in the tall grass. I have a problem with tall grass.
Yeah, you do that pretty often.
Take off flaps. Receiver 5.1 volt. Landing flaps. Receiver 5.1 volt.
Ah, you're a crap. Oh well. It survived.